Hello, I wanted to cover one short little topic, and that's various ways that you can go ahead and print multiple lines in Swift. So basically, there are at least three separate ways that you can go ahead and do it. In the first example, what I'm doing is I'm using print statements for each line that I want to go ahead and print out. The second way is it is one statement. However, what I'm including within the string are the escape character for a new line. So what'll happen when Swift reads that escape character, it'll advance the carriage return to the next line, and then the next line will print there, and it'll just continue on. It'll go ahead and print that line of code on that string on four different lines of code. And the final way that you can go ahead and do that is you can use one little print statement, and then you would go ahead and use three double quote marks. And after that, whatever you print out will get printed out as you see it in the print statement. So it'll go ahead and print that on one line, reminds me of childhood memories on the next line, where everything on the next line was as fresh as the bright blue sky. So those are three different ways that you can print multiple a string on multiple lines. So if I go ahead and click on the run button here, we see that my string has printed on four separate lines. The first way is using multiple print statements. The second way is using print statements with the return escape character, and the final way is to use a multi-line print statement. And the other thing I wanted to show you, say for instance, if I deleted that and I tried to run it, you would get compile error. So what you need to do is after you put the three quotation marks, then your string must be advanced to the next line. And if I do the same thing here, if I go ahead and delete this, and I try to run the code, again, I get an error message where it says multi-line string literal closing delimiter must begin on a new line. So what I could do to fix this, I could just go ahead and click on that and click on fix. And what it does is it fixes it and moves the closing multi-line string delimiter to the next line. So let me just go ahead and run this again. So again, this is just a short little video that walks you through how you can print in Swift using multiple print statements, a print statement with the escape character return, and the multi-line print. So that's all I had for this video. So we will talk to you later.